5 of the 7 suspects in the Sam Nordquist murder case appeared in Ontario County Court today. These were motions hearings, and as Isabel Garcia reports, it's just a small step closer in getting to a trial.
In each of the 5 defendants' motions hearings on Wednesday at Ontario County Court, prosecutors were asking for fresh DNA swabs, noting these samples will be used to compare directly with DNA evidence gathered where unknown contributors were found in state police lab testing. First in court Wednesday, Emily Motika, then Kimberly Sosha, and Jennifer Quiano. Quiano's defense attorney requested a subpoena from the people for records from the New York City Department of Education. The prosecution did not oppose.
I don't know exactly why they would be asking for those. My guess would be some sort of mitigation or some sort of argument that would be had in the future.
A little over an hour later, Kyle Sage and Patrick Goodwin appeared. The request from prosecutors during each of these motions hearings was for fresh DNA swabs to compare evidence found with, quote, unknown contributors. 2 New York State police officers certified to collect samples were present. All samples were collected right at the courthouse with the defense attorneys present.
In this particular case, the evidence that we're asking for the swabs for has a mixture of multiple contributors, and you cannot put that in the CODIS system. So it would only be able to be put or compared against known samples of individuals who we collect. So we do not anticipate that unknowns are going to be identified in this process.
Each of the defendants are facing charges in connection to the alleged torture and murder of a transgender man from Minnesota, Sam Nordquist. Family advocate Elsie Collins keeps in close contact with Sam's mom, Linda, and sister Kayla on FaceTime during each court appearance.
They're getting theirs day by day. I mean, some days are harder than others, and, they go to the cemetery and see Sam, and I know that's hard for them, but they are getting through. His story is going to stay alive. And on top of it, just the stories of who he was as a person, you can tell he was such an amazing person.
Wolford also tells me in regards to the Huntley hearings, the prosecution is currently working on formal written responses to the defendant's final written closings. Now, all of this, small steps towards a trial date, but she does not anticipate that being announced or formalized anytime in the near future. For now, reporting in Canandaigua, Isabel Garcia, News 8.
Get the Rochester First streaming app today for everything you love from News 8 On Demand. Plus exclusive shows you won't see anywhere else. Search ROC and download for free on Roku, Amazon Fire, and Apple TV.